Yeah. Life can be heavy sometimes,
but somehow
you make it lighter. I've been running from sunrise, trying to keep these dreams alive. Long days, late nights, still searching for the light. Some days the road gets rough, some days enough ain't enough. Then I hear your voice and everything slows down.
I've had seasons of my own, carrying burdens all alone, trying to smile through the strain, dancing in the rain. But you never asked me to pretend, never tried to change who I am. You just took my hand and understood.
We don't have a perfect story, we don't have it figured out. But when the world gets complicated, you're the calm inside the crowd. Oh, the world gets loud, but we're alright. We don't have to force it,
We don't have to fight.
after all we've been through.
After all we knew,
Life ain't easy,
but it's easy with you.
life ain't easy.
But it's easy with you.
Yeah, we've seen people come and go, watch promises lose their glow. That's why I treasure what is real, and the way you make me feel. Not because you rescued me, not because you set me free, but because beside you,
I can simply be
no diamonds, no grand display,
just your love at the end of the day.
a conversation on the porch,
Watch an evening fade away,
and every little thing you do.
reminds me why I choose you. Not for perfection, but for truth.
We don't need a fairy tale, we don't need a grand design, just a heart that's willing, walking side by side. The world gets loud, but we're alright. We don't have to force it,
We don't have to fight.
after all we've been through.
After all we knew,
Life ain't easy,
but it's easy with you.
hey, when the rain keeps falling and the road gets steep, when the answers are